Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can uninstall Gardenscapes application from your iPhone. So let's jump into the video without wasting much of our time. If you are done playing your Gardenscapes game and if you recently deleted your account, then you can go ahead and uninstall or delete the application from your system. So in order to do that, go find the Gardenscapes application on your app drawer and press hold the application. In the pop-up, you should be able to see an option that says remove app or delete app. Tap on it and in the pop-up, tap on the delete button twice and within a few seconds, you will be able to delete your Gardenscapes application from your mobile device. This process works both for Android and iPhones, so once you are done, you have successfully removed the application from your database. That's pretty much it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.